Hi, Bunot. Nice to see you again,
Oo
ma'am.
nga eh, after so long.
Ito, wala nang trabaho.
Ikaw naman. Mahiyain.
Mahiyain.
Tawag ka na.
This is inside Cimmaroon Photography Studio. Currently, nagsa-setup na sila guys. Ayan, no? And we also have some models that are, dressing up. Pansinin nyo. So this is like a 360 studio. So every part of the studio is an item or background for your photography. Ma'am Rachel, so I met you like 5 years ago.
Yes.
Right now you have your own studio. Ano po yung vision nyo?
Aside from kaya kaming maging studio, actually niya rin i-share it with others. With other photographers din and marketing. Then tayong space. Rin kaya katang professional freelancers,
Yes.
mga yan, and influencers na
Yes.
pa rin la pwedeng mag-shoot professionally. So, na kailangan mag-invest ka rin lighting,
Correct.
ka rin props. Ito talaga ang kakabisyon na studio.
So you don't seclude it to your own clients.
No, yes.
Kumbaga ka rin photographer tamo muri ng konkretong creatives, you wanna share the space.
Oo, yes. Kasi initial ming client sa kakamino na, more on families kami, babies. Ngayon kasi minopen ngayon, expand mo na yung services mo into product shoots,
So magka-corporate na rin na. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Then ipang fill light na rin ni Gado Kareta at Malati. Ini
Okay.
main light sa bali kayo nito.
Feel ang pong main light. Okay.
Tapos ito yung pang spotlight at steady light ada.
Ina. Okay.
Ito naman pang kahit hair light. Ito kayo.
Hair.
Hair light to. Hair.
So, karin lalultore at ang details na ning
Basta.
picture. Dahil kang sila.
Yes, Carlos.
Lang dito sa kaibigan natin, sa Cimmaroon Photography. Just Carlos po pala.
Yes.
Photographer po ng Lens Image Factory. Ginagawa namin, sa amin naman more on creative. Pero naghahanap po kayo ng mga baby shoots, yung mga dito po sa
More
Cimmaroon.
on emotional, dramatic, ganun, no,
Yes,
sir?
yes po, yes po. Bali po yung sa amin, visit nyo po yung Lens Image Factory, makikita nyo po yung mga gawa namin doon.
Thank you, Sir Jazz.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Guys, kasama natin ang isa sa mga sikat na fashion designer dito sa Pampanga.
Please like my page, Jamer Louis Couturier. Makikita nyo dun yung mga kung paano ko ginagawa yung mga gowns. Mga ideas, and sa mga aspiring na gustong nag-i-start pa lang,
Yes.
pwede sila makakuha ng mga ideas and inspiration. Sinishare ko naman kung paano yung gawin yung gowns.
Congratulations on your success.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Muna na yung papit lang.
Today, bakit dito ang shot mo? Bakit ang shot mo? So, ultimo din, sir. Kasi siyempre, itong pasway-sway na rin kayo. Yung model, pinag-aralan mo rin.
Oo, sir. Wala. Naka-memorize mo ang dito.
Alright. Thank you.
Studio ng Kabisa Kini, Telabastagan. It's actually, nung i-search itang Cimmaroon Photography, Telabastagan, akit on King Google Maps, 3 minutes away from SM. Our services includes yung typical na portrait shoots, more on families, maternity, newborns,
newborn, yeah,
babies, and then meron yung mga sa pre-debut, wedding, prenup, provision niya rin ng space na pwede kayo mag-create or set up different kinds of films
Yes,
for
yes.
prenups, mga yan. And then, the studio is also available for rent. For example, meron kaming shared for rent, which means para mas makatipid, or rent and buo exclusively just for you. For example, corporate shoot, nakal kayo, di ba?
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Sir Jay, thank you so much. Good luck and congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Makakita ko ang pasabay kayo.
Sir, bo.
Eh.
Masyal kayo pa ulit.
Wah, ali, mag chill tamo, hangat tamo.
Sir,
Sir Jazz, paturo ko.
Sir, Ay, yan. Yung mentor ko talaga ito. Kaya tiro ka na ako. Sir.
Thank you po, thank you po. Sir Jazz, muna na kami.
Ay, lihat. Oh, nano, itong
Accept mo po, ha? Accept mo.
Accept daw. Ay, tatanong, makatahingin kayo po.
Upcoming din yung kanyang business. So, if you're looking for Texas style smoked barbecue, ayan, kontakan namin siya.
Brotherhood Smoke Grill.
Brotherhood Smoke Grill. Thank you.
Thank you.